Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, where you will gain top-notch mathematics tutorials as well as comprehensive solutions and techniques for solving diverse mathematics problems. We will be covering a wide range of elementary and advanced mathematical concepts such as number and numeration, algebra, plane and coordinate geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, statistics, set theory, matrices, differential and integral calculus, and as well as advanced mathematics such as numerical analysis, mathematical modeling, mathematical method, pictorial mechanics, and many more. Kindly support our work at all times by engaging with our content with watch, likes, comments, and share with your friends and network. We will also be here to guide you through the solutions of mathematical problems. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel to stay updated.